guys, welcome back to my channel and hello if you are new here. I'm Em and I love Gucci. So, I have a really random video today. We're going to talk about a little Gucci tee hack. So I know you guys like designer, and if you don't, you're probably watching the wrong video. And you obviously want to know how to save some money on designer. So today I thought I would show you a Gucci tee hack. I'm saying that because I don't know if this is going to work, but I think it is. So I saw a girl on Instagram recently, so kudos to her. This video was actually inspired by her video, which made me order the t-shirt, tell you a way to get a Gucci t-shirt for half price. In fact, more than half price. The t-shirt I have in my hands cost £120 and the normal Gucci tees are £370. This is fully legit, came from the Gucci website. Give me an email, I'll send you the receipt if you don't believe me. Came in a gorgeous little gift box, so I'm going to show you how to do this. Everything on this video mentioned, the exact things will be linked below. We're going to see if this works. I have already tested this before the video and it works for me, but I had so many messages on Instagram at emtalks, if you're not already following, asking me what size this is equivalent to and how does it fit, blah 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 blah. So I thought I will film a full-blown video and we'll talk about this, we'll try it, we'll style up the Gucci tee and I'll talk to you about this hack and then you can see if it's going to work for you. So here she is, look. The truth behind the matter is this cost £120. It's a Gucci child boys t-shirt in aged 10. So I was like, oh my god, how is this gonna fit? Is it gonna rip my head off? Is it gonna just fit one boob in? I don't know. So from my personal experience, when I put this on, it's very tight around the neck, but there's a lot of wiggle room. So actually, like, I just didn't want to stretch it to begin with. But once you just don't wear a bun on your head and you'll be fine. With straight hair, it goes straight on, and once it's on, it's very comfortable around the neck. It's just getting it over the head. I clearly have a very big head. But when it's on the body, I would say it fits like a size 8. I'm a size 6 to 8 and I would say it's nice. It's not tight. You'll see when you see me wearing it how it fits my body. And I'm a 34D boob size if you wondered, because I do think the boobs kind of fill it out more. So actually if you had smaller boobs, it would probably fit you a lot better as well. I'm so happy with this. So basically the normal Gucci t-shirts are oversized. If you want an oversized fit, you're going to have to go for the normal one. I'll link those below as well. They're £370. And this one is definitely not for you. This is for someone who wants a Gucci t-shirt for a lot cheaper, less than half the price, and they want it to fit in kind of a figure-hugging way, I would say, but with a little bit of room. I know the girl that was talking about it on Instagram, she likes to wear this as a crop top. Great idea. It would actually look really cool as a crop top, but you can definitely wear this as a t-shirt. When I buy t-shirts, I don't really wear oversized t-shirts. I tend to wear my t-shirts so that they are nice and tight and so that they do fit my body nice. So I actually think this is really flattering on. With jeans, it will look amazing. So without further ado, you know what guys, I'm going to try it on and then we're going to talk about it and you can see if you think it will fit you guys, if you want to try it. But yeah, let's go be an age 10 boy for the day. This is fun. So as you can see, this is a t-shirt just on by itself. So it actually sits and there is definitely room in it. It's not like skin tight, but as you can see, I do have boobs, so they push it out, but I think that's really nice and flattering. But there is still a lot of room here and it is actually the perfect fit for how I would personally want a t-shirt to fit. As I said, getting it over the head, I have a big head, it's quite a struggle. No, it's not that much of a struggle. You just have to pull it over. You will get makeup around the neck, so pop it on before you put makeup on. But actually when it's sat on the neck, it's fine. Yes, it sits up a little bit high, but it looks totally fine in my opinion. You might think I look like an idiot, but it's comfy. It's not strangling me. It's absolutely fine. I think it fits really nicely. It's not like jabbing my arms or anything. There's room. I just think it's the same fit as a kind of normal, flattering, plain white tee that I would choose to wear with my outfits. So you can obviously also length, yes, length I think is totally fine as well. It's not cropped, it covers, well, it goes literally up to half of here, so we're fine. You can obviously put it in like this, which I think is really nice, and you've got that baggy effect if that's what you want. And also you could probably just wear it without a bra and then it would fit a lot more roomier, because I do feel like this is pushing it out a lot. I love it with denim, obviously, because I would personally wear it with denim. I actually haven't got any jeans with me right now, which is very annoying, so I thought I'd wear this. I did also finally get myself the brown one, although I thought this was meant to be light brown and it's dark brown. So, weird, I thought this was like tan, but for some reason they've sent me the dark brown one, but I'm going to show you it anyway because, you know, Gucci gang, I've got my Gucci gang down at the side of me as well. But this t-shirt is really comfortable, really roomy. Do not feel like I'm being choked, do not feel like a 10-year-old boy. Seriously, if I had a 10-year-old kid and he had a Gucci tee, I would steal it. That's another hack for you, any mums out there. Buy your kid a Gucci t-shirt and then steal it. So as you can see, the little belt with it, and I'll link the exact belt below as well. Looks really nice. This colour goes really nice with denim, doesn't it? And I think it actually goes really nice with the t-shirt as well. So yeah, I'm going to try it on with something else now so you can see it with something a little bit different, but really comfortable. I am very happy with this idea. I love a nice t-shirt with wide leg trousers, so I thought I'd pop it with these. Obviously you can wear with heels, trainers, sandals, you don't have to wear heels with it. As you can see, it tucks in really nicely and I think it looks really nice. How many times can I say nice? Or you can wear it just baggy and you can see it sits really nice. There is a lot of room. The majority of questions I got on Instagram were asking me what size I think this is equivalent to in UK women's size. Obviously I don't work for Gucci, so I can't say, oh, this is the equivalent to a UK size 8, because that's just not how it works. But what I can say is that as someone who is a size 6 to a size 8, I think it fits perfectly. And actually it's definitely not like too tight size 6. I would actually say it's more on the size 8 size, so hopefully that will help you sizing wise. I'm gonna put a little hair bubble behind it and show you it cropped, because I know that a lot of girls have been wearing it like that and I actually really like it. So let's see how it looks cropped. I know a lot of people are not into crop tops, but equally a lot of people are. It looks really good with little denim jeans over summer, and if you are someone that likes cropped, I think it's really cute. It's kind of Britney Spears-esque, tying it at the back and just popping it under and tucking it under. Fits really nice as a crop top as well, but equally just as nice as a normal t-shirt. But as I said, if you are someone who wants to get a nice oversized baggy fit, which I think looks really cool with leggings, then obviously you would have to go for the normal priced one or the men's one as well. The men's Gucci tee used to be cheaper and then they added an extra £100 onto it, so I think they cottoned on. So this will probably end up being £370 soon too. So get it while you can, kids, links below. But yeah, I actually think it's quite nice as a crop as well, but I don't know, comment below, what do you prefer? Do you love oversized tees, cropped ones, or I just think this sits so nicely. One of my favourite ways to wear tees is with a nice little floaty skater skirt. This needs an iron, I literally just got it out of the bag, but cute little floaty skater skirt, wear it with a tee, or even a black one would look cute as well. And I just think it's a fun way to wear it, particularly in spring, summer, and pop on some trainers with it. I love that look, trainers, skirt and a nice tee. But I just think it's so nice. As I said, don't freak out if when you put it on you're like, I can't get this over my head, because once you get it on it's totally fine. And also there is a lot of give here. It's one of those things, if you just pull the material a bit, you're going to be fine. And once you do get it over your head and you're over the hole, I'm not going to get this over, it sits perfectly. So I think that's a pretty good hack. If you are able to get one, then let me know how you feel about it, or just go for the normal size one. Hopefully if you're not interested in getting the kids one, you might see this as inspo to get the normal oversized one, which my brother actually has and looks amazing, so I'll just steal his if I need one. But yeah, I do like oversized tees and this kind of tee, so if you want to save some money, then this is the one for you. As always guys, everything is linked below, just click show more. Thank you so much for watching. Do come say hi on Instagram at emtalks. If you're new, come say hi, I'd love to chat to you, tell me that this video sent you over, and subscribe, it'd be great to have you. Thank you guys, goodbye.